Good morning, guys, and welcome back to PA Street Team. For those of you that are new here, my name is Derek. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and also that notification bell so you can keep up with my latest content. Today, I am at home in Lemoyne, and yes, I did just wash the R32 in 23-degree weather. I have never had a car wash happen where the soap bubbles were freezing on the car, but it was a necessary evil because we needed to have the car cleaned off for what's going to happen here in a couple minutes. I'll turn you around so you can see the car. It's all nice and shiny. Still a little bit of steam coming off the hood, so that's kind of funny. But yeah, so today is the day where we're going to head over here in a couple minutes to Inshane Designs. I'm going to be meeting up with Curtis, and we're going to get the shark mouth decals put on the car. They are not the final product of what I have planned for this spring. The car will be getting a full wrap, but I bought them a couple months ago when Mike Street Speed 717 was doing the Gladiator giveaway. I thought they were funny. I've seen Mark IVs with shark mouths before. Thought it could be fun for a couple months in the winter while I'm just messing around. So it's Saturday. He's agreed to meet up with me, and all I had to do was get the car washed because it was filthy. And I'm going to head over, so I'll see you guys there in a minute.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.
Alright guys, so it's actually a couple of days later. The original ending that I had filmed for the video just wasn't working out for me, so I wanted to refilm it. But as you can see behind me, the car's all done. Shark mouths are on, and they look great. Huge shout out to Curtis at Inshane Designs for helping with the install. He did an awesome job. These are just something that I bought back when Mike was doing the Gladiator giveaway as my entry into it. I thought it would be funny to have them on there for a couple months until the official wrap goes on. I really like how they turned out. They look great on both sides. He did a really good job matching up both sides on the car, as you can see on the driver's side too. So yeah, they'll be on for a little while. Just something fun and kind of different, not too expensive. And then the goal is in April to have the car wrapped. I just need to get the funds together, and I'm running out of time. So I'm going to work on that. This car desperately needs washed again and clay barred because it's filthy. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching. I know this one's a little bit of a shorter video. I want to start doing shorter videos as I tackle projects one by one. So keep an eye out for those. The weather seems to be getting a little bit better, so that will give me a bit more flexibility to work outside, and I'm really excited for that. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you're hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you next time.